I don't think so. I don't think so. Because when you are depressurizing this bullet through this line, other tanks are under operation and the valves are closed.
Yes.
So there is no
Also,
possibility. There is no
That's the
possibility of misdirected. That is my understanding.
We will mention
Okay,
that
no,
safeguard. We have other bullet. We have a double block and bleed. Later we will follow up.
yes, that's a safeguard. The
Yeah,
cause,
that's a
misdirected flow during a scenario when we're depressurizing from one bullet.
Correct.
Misdirected flow would be if the valves on another bullet were inadvertently open.
Yes.
That's misdirected flow. Okay, that's
correct.
The cause is valves inadvertently open. The consequence is, well, you've linked up two bullets, one that's in operation and one that is you're trying to depressurize.
Correct.
So basically, it would equalize out. So you would potentially you would maybe depressurize both bullets. One that's in actual live operation, you would send that to flare. So then a safeguard is of the operating procedures on those valves, isn't it? So this is why I was getting a bit confused why someone mentioned vessel entry, because the scenario we were talking about is not at that stage yet.
Commercial.
Yeah,
just write, please, could you just write it, just what Scott has mentioned? I think let's get the caution, we write the consequences, and we take the safeguards which are available. It can happen, but we have things in place which are to be followed, procedures and all those things that need to be followed, which we created. So let's just write it and then we get on post.
Yeah. So see, I mean, to me, what Scott is saying, there is a possibility if one tank inspection is already happening and second bullet you are depressurizing. So Scott, correct me if I'm wrong. You mean one tank, their confined space entry is there, work is going on, and the same time.
No. I'm not. That's another. If you wanted to go into that, that's another cause, isn't it? There's two separate things. There's misdirected flow for while you're depressurizing, and then that's one potential consequence. And then there's also a misdirected flow for while you're actually you were going to do your inspection. But then you've got other safeguards like positive isolation and procedures. It depends how you want to catch this. You just seem to be typing it all in one box and possibly the wrong box. So let's just try and make it clear. That's all I'm
Let's just go to the P&ID, please. Let's go to the P&ID, and then we'll look at Kuma will show us what he was talking about, where we can potentially, out of error, leave it open, and we're connecting a bullet that we should be depressurizing. Put up the P&ID.